your voice.
In chat.
In chat, no answer in chat. Okay. So in this video,
Why?
we are going to study about lines and angles, and we have discussed so far, like question number fourth till fourth. We have discussed the question. I guess till fifth. Now, from question number six, we are going to study, and we are going to record also. Okay. Now the sixth question is. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes will take place in angle 2? Answer me. If angle 1 is decreased, यानी angle 1 decrease होगा, तो angle 2 में क्या effect होगा?
So may I tell?
Yes.
Increase.
That increase.
Very good, Shirish and Kushal. Angle 2 will increase. कैसे? For example, अगर ये अभी 40 डिग्री है, तो ये वाला एंगल होगा 140 डिग्री, क्योंकि ये लीनियर पेयर भी है और सप्लीमेंट्री भी है। अब इसको अगर मैंने 30 कर दिया, तो ये 30 हो गया, तो मुझे एंगल 2 को क्या करना पड़ेगा? आई नीड टू इंक्रीज द एंगल 2. सो इफ एंगल 1 इज डिक्रीज्ड, तो एंगल 2 शुड टू बी इंक्रीज। और अगर एंगल 1 इंक्रीज होता, अगर एंगल 1 इंक्रीज होता तो 2 डिक्रीज होता।
Yes.
Next question. Next is can two angles be supplementary? Supplementary मतलब 180 डिग्री। सिंपल सा याद रखो कि supplementary का मतलब होता है 180 डिग्री। नाउ क्या दो एंगल्स 180 डिग्री हो सकते हैं अगर वो दोनों एक्यूट एंगल है? यस और नो?
No sir.
नो।
No sir.
No, sir.
वेरी गुड कुशल,
No, sir.
शिरीष। ऑब्ट्यूज हो सकते हैं?
No,
No
sir.
sir.
नो। क्या राइट एंगल हो सकते हैं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
यस, क्योंकि 90 प्लस 90 कितना हो रहा है? 180 डिग्री हो रहा है।
780 degree.
हाँ, अब मुझे एक बार वापस बताओ, सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स में क्या होता है? दो एंगल्स का सम कितना
Sir.
होता है?
Sir, the angle should measure or sum is 180 degree.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल में क्या होता है? 90 डिग्री। अब इफ एन एंगल इज ग्रेटर देन 45 डिग्री, अगर कोई एंगल है ग्रेटर देन 45 डिग्री, मान लेते हैं लेट्स टेक इट इज 50 डिग्री। नाउ उसके आगे क्या कह रहा है गिरीश? वो ये कह रहा है इज इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल ग्रेटर देन 45? क्या इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल ग्रेटर देन 45 होगा या लेस देन 45 होगा?
Less than. The less.
वेरी गुड, लेस देन 45। वेरी गुड। तो वो एंगल क्या होगा? लेस देन 45 होगा, क्योंकि वो एंगल क्या होगा? 40 डिग्री। तो अगर वो 40 डिग्री है तो क्या होगा? लेस देन 45 होगा। वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, नाउ सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। रीड रिधिमा क्वेश्चन नंबर 9।
Yes, sir. In the adjoining figure, first is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? Do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair? Are angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary? Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? And fourth, what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5?
Very good. So now angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. So in that क्या angle 1 angle 2 के adjacent है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. कॉमन आर्म है और कॉमन वर्टेक्स है। कॉमन आर्म क्या है? OC। OC तो कॉमन आर्म हो गई और C वर्टेक्स हो गई। So yes, for the first what we can say? Yes. Now, second question. Is angle AOC adjacent to AOE? Angle AOC adjacent to AOE. देखो AOC क्या है? यहां से लेके यहां तक, और AOE क्या है? AOE. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? नो, क्योंकि एक एंगल तो ये आ रहा है और एक एंगल ये आ रहा है, ओवरलैप कर रहा है. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे सेकंड का आंसर? पहले का तो हमने बोला
No.
यस, सेकंड का हमने बोला नो. अब थर्ड का क्या होगा? इस COE एंड EOD COE ये वाला एंगल हो गया और EOD ये वाला एंगल हो गया. क्या ये
लीनियर पेयर है
एंगल
क्या?
लीनियर पेयर है या नहीं?
No, sir.
यस
No, sir.
यस.
Yes, sir.
और लीनियर पेयर ही क्या होते हैं? सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं, क्योंकि उनका सम 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. तो क्या BOD DOA के इक्वल है एंगल BOD? तो एंगल BOD यानी ये, यानी एंगल 4 प्लस DOA यानी एंगल 5. तो क्या एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 5 सप्लीमेंट्री है? यस, क्योंकि ये लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. जो लीनियर पेयर बनाएगा वो क्या बनाएगा? 180 डिग्री. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्या एंगल 1 एंगल 4 के वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके. नेक्स्ट. क्या एंड व्हाट इज द वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ एंगल 5? अब एंगल 5 का वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल क्या होगा?
Sir, angle 2.
2 and 3. 2 or 3.
2 or 3. Very good. Angle 2 and angle 3. So angle 5 will be equal to angle 2
and
And 3.
plus angle 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Till now it is clear. Okay,
Yes,
next.
sir.
Now we'll do next question. Vertically opposite angle. Girish, you will answer angle 5 के vertically opposite angle कौन से होंगे? What is the vertically opposite angle of 5?
Right hand.
No, Kushal. Please wait.
So, may I?
Yes, Girish, you tell.
Sir, 2.
No. Shirish, you tell me.
3 or 2.
Very good. सामने है भाई, opposite.
Vertically opposite. एकदम सामने.
Yeah. So angle 3 plus angle 2. Very good. Now angle 1 के opposite क्या होगा?
4.
Sir,
Angle
angle
1 and
4.
angle 4. Very good. So angle 1 के opposite होगा angle 4. Angle 5 के opposite होगा angle 5
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to angle 3 plus 2. Now next is linear pair. Now what are linear pairs?
Sir, right hand.
Yes.
Sir, either, sir, an angle is said to be a linear pair. So when it's all the angles are measured 180 degree.
Very good. So now, can I say like this? Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. Can I say like this? Angle
Yes,
4
sir.
plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. Next, can I say like this? Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. Again, it is a linear pair. So I can say this is also a linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 5. Again, this is a linear pair. Angle 4 plus 3 plus 2. Linear pair. So I hope linear pair is clear to you. So what all the linear pairs can be? Angle 1, comma angle 5. They are linear pairs. Angle, sorry, and capital. Angle 4. You can also speak 4, 3, 2. Next angle I can take एक straight line और उस पे कितने भी लाइंस बने हो. और क्या ले सकता हूँ? 4,5. Next 1, 2, 3. I hope things are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Next is in the following figure, angle 1 is मतलब क्या? Angle 1 और angle 2 adjacent है? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Because एक तो common vertex नहीं है, तो बात वहीं खत्म हो गई. Common arm तो है, लेकिन common vertex नहीं है. तो पहले का आंसर हो जाएगा no और कॉमा क्यों? Because क्यों नहीं होगा? No common vertex. Next. Now answer me the next question.
Value of the value of x, y, z in
What
the
will be the value of x? Shirish,
55
55 degree. Now what will be the value of y? Kushal, you tell.
shadowing.
You have to answer properly. Otherwise, this voice will be recorded. What will be the value of x?
Shadowing.
X is 55, sorry. What will be the value of this?
The 35.
Kitna?
35.
Wrong.
सर किसकी बतानी है?
आपको बतानी
The
है
y की ना.
y की वैल्यू.
Yes, the 35 आ रही है.
सर 70.
Wrong. Rizma, you gave wrong answer. This is 55. This will be 100 minus 180 minus
125. 125.
125 because it is forming a linear pair. Yes or no? This will be 55 degree. Then I can say I'm making a linear pair. So it will be 125. So if this is a 125, this will also be 125.
125.
Now Girish, tell me, what will be the value of x? What will be the value of x?
Sir, 115.
Very good. $115. Why 115? Because linear pair, it is forming a linear pair. Next. Next question.
Sir, may I tell? Sir, may I tell? Sir, if two members are complementary, thus not their measure 90 degrees of if two angles are complement, then the sum of their measure is sure 90. Two angles moving on the linear triangle are equal or 180 degree if two angles complement they form a linear pair who intersect at some point and vertical opposite angle are always equal. नहीं, always equal to if two angles
Now
act
the
as a
question
point.
is, if two angles are supplementary, if two angles are complementary, then sum of their measure will be,
So may I tell?
yes, tell me,
So 90 degree.
90 degree. Sum of their measure will be 90 degree. Next. Now next, if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure will be
130.
So 180.
180. The
180.
first one is 90 degree. The next one is 180 degree. Now, two angles forming a linear pair. What will be the answer?
So may I tell?
Yes, tell me. Linear pairs.
Sir, our angle 1 equal to angle 2. Or sir 180 degree.
Okay, very good. 180 degree. So the answer for this will be also 180 degree.
180.
Acha, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, if two angles are supplementary, so what we will call them? If two adjacent
Sir, may I
angles are
tell?
supplementary, what will they will form a
Linear pair.
linear pair. They will form
Linear
a
pair.
linear pair. Very good. Next. Next. Next, if two lines intersect at a point, the vertical angles, opposite angles are always
Equal.
Same.
equal and
Equal.
equal, yes, same. Very good, Ridhima and Kushal. Next, if two lines intersect at a point, if one pair of opposite angles are acute, then other pair of opposite angles are.
So can you make this diagram?
Yes. Suppose two angles are acute. For example, this is 40 degree. So this is also 40 degree. Both are acute. So what will be the other pair of opposite angles? What these angles will call? What you will call
Vertically
them?
opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angles you will say Kushal. But what you will name them? ये angles क्या होंगे
Sir,
पहले तो ये
angle
बताओ.
sir, angle 1 equal to angle 2.
No. We can say obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle हो गया ना क्योंकि ये भी बनेगा 140. बनेगा कि नहीं बच्चों? और ये भी बनेगा 140.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
So now this will be 40. This will be 40. और वो 140 हो गया तो ये acute हो गया तो दूसरा opposite हो गया. Next. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse vertically opposite angle. Now tell me obtuse vertically opposite angles क्या होंगे? Quickly. Obtuse vertically opposite angles क्या होंगे इसमें? Let's see who can answer.
Okay.
Let's see who is the genius.
So obtuse vertical. Obtuse. Sir, in this but some methods are not given.
A,
Sir, at least right.
A, E like this, and this will be vertically opposite angles. Yes or no? So you can say
Yes.
angle AOD.
I have used
AOD is equals to
angle
angle
ABOC.
BOC. Try to understand this. BOC. Next, adjacent complementary angles. What will be the adjacent complementary angles? पास वाले complementary angles कौन से होंगे?
So may I tell?
Yes.
Sir, angle EOD.
EOD and BOD. Both are 90 degree, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next. Equal supplementary angles.
So may I tell?
Yes. BOD and BOD, I think. Or you can take AOC.
Yes, sir. Also BOD.
Okay, wait. No. Equal supplementary angles. BOE plus EOD. Are you getting it? BOE plus EOD. ध्यान से देखो. BOE कितना बन रहा है? 90 डिग्री. और EOD कितना बन रहा है? 90 डिग्री बन रहा है. Yes or no? My
Yes,
dear
sir.
students, Kushal, Ridhima, Girish, Advika, Shirish, Ayank. Who is Ayank?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. BOE and EOD both makes equal supplementary angles. And what are unequal supplementary angles? I can say like BOC and DOC.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
hope
sir.
till now it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So if it is clear, tell me once again. We'll revise the question number 10. What are vertically opposite angles? Who can tell the answer? Please.
So may I tell?
Yes, Kushal, tell me.
Sir.
Sir, angle 5 equal to sir 1 and 2. Sir, angle 4 equal to sir angle 1. No, sir. Angle 5 equal to 2 and 3. And sir, angle 4 equal to 1.
Very good. Now, Advika, you tell me what is linear pair? Advika, tell me what are linear pairs? Advika, you came late today and now you are saying your voice is not coming. But today you came late and this is recorded and it will be uploaded on YouTube, and you will always remember that in lines and angles class I came late and it will go viral on the YouTube. Okay. And now next, Ridhima, please tell me what are linear pairs? What are linear pairs? Ridhima? Anyone who can answer what are linear pairs?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, who?
Yes, anyone who knows, you can tell.
Sir, the angles are as to be a region, sir, whose measure is 780 degree. Sir, in this the
मेजर
angle
कितना होना
phi
चाहिए?
equals to
180 डिग्री होना चाहिए। और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पर कितनी भी इस तरह से लाइंस हो सकती हैं, लाइक दिस। सो दिस इज व्हाट linear pair. Let me explain on the board. Wait, let me stop sharing the screen and let me come on the board. Whiteboard. So this is linear pair. So I hope this exercise is clear to you. If this is a
Yes.
straight line, now if I mark angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree, and that is equals to linear pair. सबको क्लियर हो गया व्हाट इज लीनियर पेयर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब मुझे बताओ, वी आर जस्ट रिवाइजिंग क्योंकि हमने ये पूरा एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर लिया है। सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स,
Sir, may I tell?
सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा?
180
का सम
degree.
180 डिग्री। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री में दो एंगल्स का सम
90
डिग्री। राइट एंगल
90 degree.
90 डिग्री।
90 degree.
लिनियर पेयर
180 degree.
180 degree.
180 डिग्री। इसमें कितने भी एंगल्स जोड़ सकते हैं। आई होप थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू। ओके,
Yes, sir.
so in this video we have studied about exercise 5.1. Now in the next session we are going to study about what are pairs of what is transversal and what are interior angles, what are exterior angles and all. So we have completed lines and angles exercise 5.1. Okay.
Sir, after class or tomorrow?
Yeah, we will study in the next session and I will share the link with you. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Thank you so much.
Sure, sure.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.